方は全館検査ビューフォーランディング。
Tamawarachi Ikemae.
Also, the office, as in Japan.
Cabin crew prepare for arrival.
Godzilla is here! The restaurant here. Parang yung quality ng ngiti.
Boarding time po is 12 o'clock, gate 110. For any possible gate changes, kindly stand by for announcement. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
My home launch. Let's do it. Japan.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog, and we're currently waiting for boarding and we're going to Tokyo, Japan!
Passenger allowance. Thank you.
Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Ay. Okay na ba? Apparently, bawal pala ang alak. Eh, meron ako sad light sa bag. Ang weird. Bawal mag-alak. Thank you. Going to Tokyo, Japan.
ご使用いただけません。
Bawal magdala ng
Good morning
alcohol.
everyone and
Pero,
welcome on board to all passengers,
nagbebenta
including
sila ng
Club
beer
Jetstar members on
inside
Jetstar Flight
the
Care.
plane. In fairness,
My
meron
name is
silang
Ikumi.
credit
I'm your
card
customer
payment.
service manager.
Nagbebenta pala sila ng beer sa yung dalawang ano ko.
皆様、ただいまより当機の非常用設備をご案内いたします。これに差し込んでお閉めください。レバーを持ち上げると外れます。Cabin for landing.
Hi guys, just got landed here in Japan and we got our luggage na. Ang bilis! Actually, pagkalampas naman ng immigration, available na agad yung luggage. So, ang bilis nila na ibaba. And also, ang ganda rin ng, ng seat ng Jetstar. First time namin mag-Jetstar and so far okay naman. Yung legroom, okay yung legroom niya. Welcome to Japan! Guys, ito yung custom form. You can do it online or through form. Guys, I have to buy Pasmo and load for the train ticket. So, yeah. Kisei Narita Airport. Thank you. The ticket for Express. Guys, we made it here in Asakusa. Dito na kami. And here in our hotel in APA Asakusa, Orichinau. I forgot the actual name of the hotel. But we're here in Asakusa. We're here! Tamawarachi Ikemae. Bango. I like it. Yeah, sure. You have to check in now.
So if you want to leave luggage, please scan this QR code.
Guys, We just need to rest to Starbucks. Trying this pear caramel frap here in Starbucks, Japan, Tokyo, Asakusa branch. Alam sinabi? We're just resting before our check-in sa hotel, APA Hotel here. While waiting, siguro punta na rin kami ng Sonji Temple. Sim. Hello, is this free? Okay. Oh, that's may free coffee sila, guys. This blend. Di ba alam if lahat ng store may ganito? Parang cool, di ba? Salitin natin. Tapos malamig siya. So, let's try this free coffee. Tapang. Actually, malamig na siya. Sarap. Kahit walang sugar or whatnot. Masarap yung pagka... Hindi ko alam if cold brew na to. Pero looks like cold brew. Cold brew. Bro.
Huwag mong subukan.
Sulit. Free lang. Pupunta ka ng Starbucks para mag-ganito. Tapos walang bayad. Hindi ka na-order. Hindi, joke lang.
Masisira ang buhay mo.
Guys, let's check the available merch of Starbucks here in Japan. In Tokyo. Actually, I have this na. Parang cute to. For this. If mahilig kayo sa mga ceramic things, mugs or bowl, they have here. Sikat tong mga ceramics dito sa Japan. Coffee shop, Alchemist. Ang ganda ng branding. Kimono rentals here. Para sa temple later, nakakimono kayo. Ay, ang ganda ng view dito. May tower. Ito na yun, yung temple. Kunmiyaki. We're going to GU. Waiting na mag 10:30. 1 minute na lang. Ayan, 10:30 na. It is tax-free, 10%. GU Wish. Nice. We're shopping here in GU, at GU. Looking for something here. Ay, ganda ng pants. Medyo baggy pants. May bulsa dito. Wonder mga second-hand luxury items or goods. Oh, cool. Ang mura. 140. Ano na lang yan? 50k. Pouch. 99. Around 40k. Ito guys, mga price ng second-hand Louis Vuitton. Post nyo na lang. Chok. May 59. Ang mura nito. So, nasa 20k lang to. Ganun. Kaso parang medyo may mga damage na konti. Tsaka hindi to. Pero 59 siya. The rest. Dalawa lang. Tsaka gitna. Ito parang bago pa.
Tax. How much is tax? 10%.
About 10%.
10%. Kaso dalawa lang siya.
So ano na lang 8,000 in peso. I think this one is ni Tori. So wala kasing name ng store. Chimichi. Looks yum. Pa. Wala na kaming energy. Looks yum. Check ko to soon. Babalik ka namin. Ito pa. Mga matcha. Matcha products. Guys, say hi. Hi! Mas mura kayo sa tindahan ng duty free. Wow. Yes. We're going to Ikinari Steak. We tried it na before kaso hindi ako nasarapan. Pero for the second time, try ulit natin dito. Actually, meron naman nun sa MOA, pero iba pa rin siyempre pag sa dito sa Tokyo. Let's order this one. And this one. Tenderloin and chuck ice steak. Medium. Sarap. Napashare ko na siya ngayon. Soup pa lang. Coffee. Melts in your mouth. Mas gusto ko yung mas mahal. Knock knock. See you. See you. Ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, tapak ang puso sa'yo. Hitachi! Let's go to Uniqlo, Asakusa. Yes, we can create our own t-shirts. May sumo show dito. Nung bata ko. Lagi ako nanonood sa TV niyan. Check ko yung magkano. Mukhang mahaba yung pila doon. What's this? Bar? Asakusa Sumo Club. Pwede ka rin magrenta nung Kinomo rental na sumo. Natin magkano ito? 16,000 yen or 5,000 plus. May pagkain na siya. Eat all you can with drinks. Tempting. Nude theater daw. Yung mga nakahubad na babae. Ayan siya. With shower daw. With food and laundry. Kasama na. Yes, dito, wala pala dito McDo, pero may Jollibee. Seems like mga ano dito guys, beauty products, mga supplements din meron. Third floor, electronics. Slippers. Tayo nih. Wow, egg sandwich. Also, they have this as a Japan thing. Bidet. So this is Asakusa, Tokyo at night. Time check, it's 6:18. We're going to Shinjuku tonight. Yung Panda Station tayo bababa.
Hindi kasi pinakamalapit.
Panda. Pakorot. Korot. True line.
Cabin crew prepare for arrival.
Paparating na sa Shinjuku Station. Shinjuku Station. Paparating na. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. Did I see that? We're looking for a dinner. Nahanap namin dati namin kinaingin na yakiniku place. Kaso hindi namin nakita. So in a way, nalilikaw na kami. But at least we're exploring the Shinjuku area. Gigo ka talaga? Alam mo ba? Para kang gigo. Pero dito yun eh. Kaya si kay Hotel Gracery. We saw the Godzilla. Godzilla is here! Hi guys! This is the Godzilla head here in Gracery, Shinjuku. Ginagawa mo! Not sure what to do here pa. Pero we're looking for a restaurant. Yung before na kinainan namin na yakiniku restaurant, hindi na namin makita. Looking for a ganun ulit, mga yakiniku style na restaurant here. And people watching lang din. We like the vibe here in Shinjuku. Maraming tao. Unlike sa Asakusa, okay naman yung vibe niya. Pero dito kasi I like the pagka-city ng Tokyo eh. So yun yung hinahanap ko talaga. Kung bata ako bumalik ng Tokyo, yun yung Shinjuku for me. And Shibuya. Gusto nyo ba Family Mart tour? Let's go. Tinanong pa, tapos diretso. So dito, ayan, ice cream. Chok. Mga nerds. Oh, may socks din sila. Breads. Ito yung mga noodles nila. And the sandwiches, the drink. Ito, normally, ito, egg sandwich, tsaka yung kay 7-Eleven yung masarap daw. Natitap akong bumili, pero magdi-dinner kasi kami. Pinakita ko lang din sa inyo, para, wala lang, may ma-vlog ako. Ganon. Di joke lang. Wala na maisip na yun. Thank you. Sikat na tea, oicha, because it reduces body fat daw. Weird. Pero, let's try this. Let's try this. Tea. Oh, walang katamis-tamis. Diyos ko. Wala akong minom ng pinakuluan na damo. Nakakawala siya ng ganang kumain. Kaya, reduce body fat. Okay lang. Nakita niyo yung pangalan? Ang Bastos store, Bastos. The Peak Tech. Tapos kalapit niya yung club. Peak Tech.
Sacamos la... No importa, que me importa la pena.
Ito ba yun? Nasaan?
But it looks like close na. Ayan yun.
Guys, itong cruise. Ang cruise.
一人では2270ですか？はい。で子供は？
The church. Parang iba yung quality ng meat dito. No?
The texture is different.
No? Itadakimasu. Ay, nag-upgrade ka.
Ito yung...
Harap? Harap, ang good. Natutunaw siya. Melts in her mouth, literally. Wala, sunog na. Our last meats. So sarap. Ganito naman sa atin. Wet vibes.
Ah, mochi yan, oh.
Wow.
Hindi mo ito matigas.